Oh my gosh, I look like a bum with no makeup on, but finally after how many years? I think it's been like 2 years. I'm finally doing a makeup routine. My room is a mess, but we don't talk about it. Let's get started right away. So I just washed my face and I just dried my face. So we're gonna go in. I don't do a lot of skincare. I use this. I just applied this all over my face. And if I look that way, it's because my mirror is over there. After that, I hate when my lips are dry, so I just go in with this lip balm. I use this. Am I talking like a bot? This is the sunscreen that I use. I just put it like that, and then I just rub it all over my face. After sunscreen, I obviously go in with a primer. I use the red one because I have a really oily skin, and I heard that red one is really good for like oily skin. Okay, I decided to change the angle because I didn't really like that one. So let's keep going on with our makeup routine. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna shake it. And what I do is I just put it on the back of my hand, like just like that. And I use my fingers to spread it all over my face. So like that. Next, I use a wet sponge to spread it all over my face, but I'm too lazy to actually wet my sponge, so I'm just gonna do it with the dry one. Okay, after that, I go with a bronzer. I know a lot of people use concealer first, but I like to go with the bronzer. I think this is the lightest. Yeah, I might look hideous and really funny, but this is basically what I do. And I just blend it out with a sponge. So I know you can't really see it because it's really dark in this room, but I basically blended my bronzer and now I'm just gonna go in with this. And a little bit on my tip of my nose, and also I'm gonna blend it out. And then I use this from Too Cool for School and I just contour my nose. Okay, so this is what it looks. I'm just gonna blend it out like that. Okay, after doing all that, I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer. This is from Fit Me. So I put it under my eyes, my T-zone, and also like on top of my nose. And we're just gonna blend it up with a, what is this called? Whatever, with this egg. After that, I'm gonna go in with this Fit Me powder to powder all over my face. I just go all over my face. Okay, after that, I'm gonna go in with Essence bronzer and I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I look really bad. Oh my gosh. But yeah, basically I'm gonna go in all over my face. Okay, after that, I'm gonna use Cologram. This is shade 05 and I'm gonna apply it to where I applied my blush. So after applying, it looks something like this. Now I'm gonna go in with another Cologram palette. I think this is 01. Yeah, it is. I used these two shades. And now we're gonna go in with two eyeliners. I'm gonna go in with this first and then I'm gonna make it darker with this one. Usually I just go like that and then I just fill it in. Okay, I look really like bad. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, so I just did my other eye. I'm gonna go in with this one. And I'm gonna make my double eyelid longer. So this is what it looks like right now. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't know where it's from actually. I'm gonna use the darkest shade to color my under eye like that. Okay, what the fuck? It doesn't look that good like on camera, but it's not that bad like in real life. So this is what it looks like right now. And now I'm gonna go in with Egosire. I just used this pen. It's also from Taiso. And I'm just gonna put it like where my Egosire is. Like that. And just blend it out. Okay, so it looks like this now. Now I'm gonna go in with NYX brow pencil and I'm gonna do my brows. Okay, so it looks like this. Now I'm gonna blend it out with the other tip. Okay, I didn't really blend out the ends, but this is basically what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put my lashes on. For lashes, I use anything that I filled that day, but today I'm gonna try using this one because I never really used it. Like I only used it like once or twice. I think it's only once. So I'm gonna try with this one, but I usually don't use this one. Just letting you know. I'm sorry, that's a whole ass fucking jump scare. But this is what it looks like right now. But also, by the way, I decided to go with another lashes because I wasn't really feeling the other one. If you guys are curious, there's a lash that I use. But I know it doesn't look that good right now. But you just gotta trust the process, okay? And after that, I'm gonna go in with my mascara and I'm gonna do my under eyes. Okay, so I did that. And while my lashes dry, I'm also gonna do my nose contour with this and also the bronzer that I use for my face. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but I basically did my nose contour. Now I'm gonna go in with this and I'm gonna highlight the tip of my nose and also the bridge. And also I'm gonna highlight like the inner corner, I guess. Both eyes. After that I'm gonna use this to highlight my nose. Okay, I think my lashes are kind of dry now. I'm gonna use this. I don't know where my sister got it from. It's not mine, it's my sister's. She gave it to me so that I can use them. But I'm gonna use this to basically, I don't know like how to explain it, but like put my fake lashes and my lashes together and to make them look more visible from the front view. Okay, I just did that. See, it looks so much better now. And now I'm gonna go in with my lips. Okay, I've never used this, like it's been a while since I used it, but I'm gonna use this. It's NYX lip liner, and I'm gonna line my lips. I almost forgot, but before I do that, I'm gonna use this pencil liner to basically line my inner eye so that it looks more wider. I will literally do it on camera, cause like just like that. I'm gonna go in with matte Prep and Prime, and I'm just gonna lightly just. Not too much, because low-key, I'll be so honest, I don't really get the point of that. I'm just gonna line my top and my bottom, so it looks like this. I'm just gonna like, and after that I'm gonna use this. It's from Essence, and I'm just gonna apply it, and that's basically it. So here's my final product. I just let my hair down, that's about it. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. This is basically what it looks like. And another light, different light. And another light. For watching.